Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to block or unblock any person in WhatsApp. That can be done in a couple seconds. Watch. To do this, you first find the contact you want to block. It can be in chats or contact list. You open that chat and click on the account name. Now you go down to the bottom, and here you see a button, Block FaceTime. You click it and you block it. If you want to unblock it later, you just go in the same way. As you can see, it's very quick and easy. If you manage to do it the way I said, write in the comments about the result and put likes. And also advise me on new ideas for videos. Thank you. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.